Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the ever-evolving realm of interior design, the concept of accent walls continues to captivate the imagination of homeowners and designers alike. As we step into the year 2024, the trend of accent walls has taken on a fresh perspective, redefining spaces and injecting personality into every corner of our homes. Gone are the days of traditional accent walls limited to a single bold color or wallpaper. The accent wall trend for 2024 is all about embracing creativity and pushing boundaries. Design enthusiasts are exploring innovative techniques, materials, and finishes to craft accent walls that serve as both a focal point and a means of self-expression. One prominent theme in accent wall ideas for 2024 revolves around the fusion of nature and technology. Biophilic designs are gaining momentum, with homeowners incorporating natural elements such as reclaimed wood, stone, or even living plants into their accent walls. This not only adds a touch of the organic but also establishes a connection with the outdoors within the confines of indoor spaces. Texture plays a pivotal role in this year's accent wall renaissance. From three-dimensional tiles to textured paints and unconventional materials like fabric or leather, designers are exploring diverse ways to engage the sense of touch. The tactile allure of these accent walls not only elevates the visual appeal of a room but also creates a multisensory experience that resonates with the occupants. Color palettes are becoming more adventurous, with a departure from safe neutrals towards bold and unexpected combinations. Jewel tones, deep blues, and rich greens are making a statement, injecting a sense of drama and sophistication into living spaces. Moreover, the use of gradient and ombre effects adds a modern twist, creating visually dynamic accent walls that transition seamlessly across the color spectrum. Artistic expression finds a home in accent walls of 2024. Murals, hand-painted designs, and personalized artwork are becoming integral elements, allowing homeowners to showcase their individuality. Collaborations with local artists or the integration of digital art installations further contribute to the trend, transforming accent walls into curated masterpieces. In essence, the accent wall trend of 2024 is a celebration of diversity, ingenuity, and a departure from conventional norms. As homeowners seek to infuse their living spaces with character and flair, the accent wall becomes a canvas for experimentation, pushing the boundaries of design to create environments that are as unique as the individuals who inhabit them.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!